Former Foreign Affairs Minister Mzembi has called on to SADC to do more than just sing anti-sanction songs. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where I'll give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. He says while it is noble for the regional body to push for the total removal of sanctions imposed on Zimbabwe, more should be done to unite Zimbabweans by addressing the grievances. What the region fails to do to this day is resolve grievances, reconcile Zimbabweans, give them a unity of purpose, a sense of belonging, to protect them from state excesses so they do not run to the world to seek that protection and give agency to outsiders, including the US itself. Yes, the US may not have been offended by us according to Mnangagwa, but Zimbabweans have offended each other and continue to do so, and authoring the narrative obtaining right now with no end in sight until the wisdom of fixing the politics and uniting Zimbabweans visit leadership, he says. So as we can see, Mzembi is practically attacking SADC, accusing them of not taking any action to stop the political crisis in Zimbabwe. Rather, they are calling for anti-sanctions. So let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.